Webcam, microphone, mobile phone, good lighting, done. That's literally the whole video. But over the last 10, 15 years, I have made easily 3,000-4,000 videos. Some of them are here on my Alan Spicen channel, some of them are on my weight loss channel, some of them on channels that no longer exist, or I was hired out by other brands to be the face of their YouTube channel and I've read whatever they've sent to me for research. I've hosted videos on cryptocurrencies, how to make music, kids TV, food, literally anything. But the one consistent thing is that all I've ever used to record YouTube videos are a webcam, a microphone, a mobile phone. And when I was being extra posh, I even used a DSLR camera, which is now 10 years old. It's all about controlling the environment that you happen to be in. I'm in my living room. I've got an okay background through pure practice alone. It's not boring, it's not white, and it's not incredibly noisy around me. As long as you know what you're going to be talking about, whether they are notes just there off screen, or whether there's bullet points in your head for you to run from, then that's all you really need. So many people overcompensate and so many people throw hundreds and hundreds of pounds into equipment when you don't really need it, and put that pressure on yourself to, oh no, I've spent £1,500, so I really need to make this work. And then it turns it from a freelancing hobby that you're going to love, that you need to be passionate about, into panic and stress and fear. The start of any YouTube channel, especially if it's from a freelance perspective, needs to be organic enough that it's fueled by your tiny bit of anxiety, but a lot of passion and a lot of excitement. Because trust me, after 10-ish years of constantly making videos on YouTube, it does become a grind unless there is some spark behind it. And the advantage of YouTube is that you are only really dealing with the rectangle that's in front of you that goes on the YouTube platform, whether it's on the mobile phone, whether it's on the desktop, or whether it's on the TV. There's only so much you can do, especially when it comes to business. If you're Mr. Beast, then yes, you're going to need 50 cameras and you're going to need 400 microphones. But if you're a business and you're self-employed and you're talking about the thing that you do, then all you really need is something that looks appealing, sounds appealing, and gets your point across. The most important thing that you need to focus on is your titles, descriptions, tags, and the content of the video, the value proposition that you are offering. I've got a full equipment guide on my website. There's going to be a link in the description down below, but I honestly think you're overthinking it. Why don't you walk your way through the history of how I became self-employed? I'm going to do a video right here. Hit subscribe, get some popcorn, go check it out. It's a long one.